Welcome to Fuzzy App. In this guide, I'll show you how to create an eye-catching YouTube short using Canva. YouTube Shorts are a fantastic way to engage your audience with quick and impactful content, and Canva makes this process simple and fun. Let's dive in. First, log in to your Canva account and search for YouTube Shorts in the search bar. As you'll see, Canva provides predefined templates with the exact dimensions required for YouTube Shorts. In fact, there are around 438 templates available, which makes it super easy to choose one that fits your style. Now, you have two options. You can either select a predefined template and quickly convert it into a short, or you can start from scratch by clicking on Create Blank. For this tutorial, I'm going to explore a similar format by searching for TikTok in the search bar, since TikTok and YouTube Shorts share the same dimensions. When I search TikTok, you'll notice the results are even more extensive: 8,262 templates. Again, you have the option to choose a template or start with a blank canvas. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to start from scratch to show you how to create a YouTube short or TikTok video step by step. So instead of selecting a predefined template, I'm going to click on Create Blank. This option allows us to design everything from the ground up, giving us full creative control over the content. Once I click on Create Blank, Canva opens up a blank frame with the perfect dimensions for a YouTube short or TikTok video. Now, we're ready to start designing and bringing our ideas to life. Once I open the blank frame, you'll notice something really handy. Templates appear again on the left side, just like in the previous frame. This is where we can scroll down and explore a variety of templates, making it super easy to select one even after entering the design space. But for now, let's dive deeper. I'm clicking on Styles to show you something exciting. Canva offers a range of predefined styles and color schemes that can instantly transform your design. You can pick colors and combinations that resonate with your vibe or brand. Next, I'm clicking back on Templates, and here's something cool. There are filters to refine your search. For example, I'm selecting the travel filter, and as you can see, it brings up travel-themed templates that are perfect for creating niche-specific content. Moving forward, let's check out the Elements tab. This is a treasure trove of creative assets, from shapes and graphs to stickers, videos, and even audio. You have so many options to make your video engaging and visually appealing. Now on to text. This isn't just your standard text tool. Canva offers beautiful, predefined text styles you can instantly apply to your design. Whether it's bold, elegant, or playful, there's something for everyone. If you're working with a brand, Canva's Brand Kit is a lifesaver. By clicking on Brand Kit, you can access your brand's predefined colors, fonts, and even logos, which ensures your content stays consistent and professional. It's perfect for maintaining that cohesive look and feel. Next, let's hop over to the Upload section. This is where Canva really shines. You can upload your own videos, images, or other assets and seamlessly integrate them into your design. For this tutorial, I'll be using my own video clips rather than anything preloaded from Canva. So let's grab those videos and start creating something amazing together. Now, I'm heading over to Google and typing Pexels to open a website called Pexels. This platform is an incredible resource, offering a vast collection of free, high-quality photos and videos that you can use in your designs. From stunning visuals to dynamic videos, it's all here, and the best part? Most of it is completely free to download and use. Once I open the Pexels website, you can see it's neatly organized with options for photos, videos, and even audio. I'm quickly browsing through to give you a glimpse of what's available. Let's try searching for something specific in the search bar. Instantly, you get a variety of options to choose from. To download, it's super simple. Just click on your chosen item, hit the download button, and it's saved to your device. For this tutorial, I'll download a few videos that we'll use in our design. Now that I've downloaded some great resources for this tutorial, I'll be using them in my design. That wraps up this part of the process. Let's get back to creating. Now let's bring my idea to life. I want to create a short video that sends a simple but powerful message. Want to unlock your creativity and make your ideas more effective? Exercise regularly. It's a powerful way to boost your creative potential. To start, I'll use two videos, a peaceful beach scene and a man running on a treadmill, to deliver this message effectively. First, I head to the upload section in Canva and upload the videos I downloaded earlier from Pexels. Once uploaded, I click on the beach video and place it on the frame, adjusting its size to fit perfectly. Canva also makes it easy to trim the video length using the adjustment bar at the bottom of the frame. Next, I'll add text to the video. I go to the text section and select a text box. I'll position it at the top of the frame. Type the first part of my message. Want to unlock your creativity and make your ideas more effective? Then I'll customize it, adjusting the font, size, and color to match the mood of the video. To make the text stand out, let's add some effects. Canva makes this super simple. Just head to the effects section and explore a variety of text effects. For this video, I'll select a background effect to make the text pop. I'll choose a clean white background with bold black text for maximum readability. Doesn't that look fantastic? The contrast ensures the message is clear and impactful against the video. Now, let's take it up a notch. I'm going to add animations to the text to make the video more dynamic and engaging. At the top bar menu, I click on Animations, where I have a variety of fun and creative options to choose from. After experimenting a little, I've selected one that adds a touch of movement and energy to the text. Perfect. It's already coming together beautifully. Next, it's time to add the second video clip, the one with the man on the treadmill. I'll head back to the upload section, select the video, and place it onto the frame. After adjusting the frame size and duration, it fits perfectly. For the text, I'll keep it consistent with the first video. I'll simply copy the text box from the previous slide, paste it here, and edit it with the second part of the message. Exercise regularly. It's a powerful way to boost your creative potential. I'll make small adjustments to the text size and position to ensure everything looks balanced and polished. Once the text is in place, let's take a moment to fine-tune both slides. I'll adjust the text size on the first slide to maintain consistency and ensure the flow is smooth. With these final tweaks, let's run the video to check how it looks. Perfect. The transitions between the slides are seamless, and the message flows naturally. But we're not done yet. To make the transition between the two slides even smoother, let's add some video animations. I'll click on the small animation button between the two slides at the bottom of the timeline. Canva offers plenty of options for slide transitions, so I'll select one that feels just right for the tone of this video. Let's play it now. Wow, that looks so good. Finally, let's move on to the next exciting step, adding audio to bring the video to life. With the video visuals now finalized, it's time to add the audio. I'll start by uploading the audio that I've already generated for this video. To do this, I'll go to the Upload section in Canva, click on the Upload Files button, and select the audio file from my computer. Now that the audio is in place, I want to show you how you can easily create high-quality voiceovers for your video, completely free. For this tutorial, I'll be using a text-to-speech software called VoiceMaker. It's an incredible tool with so many options to customize your audio. Not only does it let you convert text to speech, but it also allows you to add voice effects, like pauses and emphasis, to make the audio more engaging. Plus, you can adjust the pitch, speed, and tone of the voice to suit your video's mood perfectly. When you open VoiceMaker, you'll notice a wide variety of voices to choose from: male, female, different accents, and even multiple languages. To find the perfect fit, simply type in a sample text and hit the play button to preview each voice. For this video, I'll go with this professional-sounding male voice that has a calm and friendly tone. Now I'll add the text for our voiceover. To make it more dynamic, I'll add a pause after the first line and emphasize the second line for impact. Adding these small tweaks helps bring the audio to life. Once everything is ready, I'll click on the Convert to Speech button, and just like that, the audio is generated. Let's listen to it.
Want to unlock your creativity and make your ideas more effective? Exercise regularly. It's a powerful way to boost your creative potential.
That's perfect. The tone and timing align beautifully with the message we want to convey. All right, now that we've completed everything in VoiceMaker, let's get back to Canva. Here, I've already uploaded the audio we just created. Now I'll adjust the timing of the slides or video clips to match the duration of the audio. It's important that everything syncs perfectly. I'll drag the uploaded audio beneath the video frames and align it with the visuals, ensuring the timing matches seamlessly. Once that's done, I'll play the video to confirm everything is flowing perfectly together.
Want to unlock your creativity and make your ideas more effective? Exercise regularly. It's a powerful way to boost your creative potential.
If it looks great, I'll move to the final step, downloading the video. I'll go to the File menu, select Download, and make sure the format is set to MP4. Then I'll hit Download, and once it's saved, I'll check the file to ensure it's perfect. With everything in place, the video is complete and ready to go. Now let's check the downloaded file to ensure everything is perfect.
Want to unlock your creativity and make your ideas more effective? Exercise regularly. It's a powerful way to boost your creative potential.
And yes, it's just how we wanted it. Perfect. If you found this tutorial useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on creating amazing content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating!